Oh yeah, finally some warm weather. How you guys doing? Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day. Thanks for joining me in this video. And well, what's going on with the STI? Well, I got the hood open right now, and what you see in the engine bay, that's right, take a look at that, nice and clean. A lot of stuff that you see in the engine bay right now is gonna be up for sale. That's right, we're gonna be doing a little mini part out on the STI. Why am I doing the mini part out? Well, you guys will see later on in the video. So there it goes, and I will be selling the stuff local only first. If I can't sell it locally, then I'll go ahead and sell the stuff online. Only reason why, I've had bad luck selling stuff online. So we're gonna be taking the STI out on a little mini road trip, not too far away, about a 4 or 5 hour drive. I'm just packing the car up with some of the extra parts that I have. ETS intercooler right there, I got some piping. I have a whole bunch of more stuff I think it's gonna fill up the whole trunk. I don't know if it's gonna fit the whole trunk, but stay tuned guys. We're gonna be visiting an old friend. You guys might know who he is. All right, got the car almost loaded up, but I forgot about this. Check out this cool 4-inch carbon fiber intake. This is awesome. I really like this. Come on, minivan, speed it up. Let's go. Come on. Oh, I hate it when people merge slow as hell. So here we are, a beautiful start to our road trip. It's about 350 miles away from my house, from one side of the state all the way to the other side of the state. So we have about 235 miles to go. I didn't film much earlier because there really wasn't much to film anyways, so I just stopped along, got some gas and some snacks. So as we go along on this road trip, I might stop a few places, get some cinematics. Other than that, there really isn't much to film. But yeah, let's just enjoy the road trip. Beautiful day here in Washington State. Enjoying it. Can't wait for more warm weather like this. All right, we're gonna take a little rest stop and check out this little scenic view. Let me show you guys. This is pretty cool. Wow, no, that's pretty cool, not gonna lie. Since we're out here, I got a great idea. God, I am so low on gas. I was not even paying attention. Hope there's enough to get to the gas station. Crap. Oh man, that was a nail biter. So look at my gas gauge. It is below the empty level, but we went 291 miles. We're currently at E73, so I guess gas mileage wasn't so bad just driving normally. So yes, you can get good, decent gas mileage if you're on E85, depending on your tune, of course, but yeah, I think it's running really low right now. Okay, so we made it to our destination. Out of respect to the owners, I don't want to show any of the other cars that are here, but it's going to be sad. We're going to say goodbye to the Subaru for I don't know how long. I don't know how long this is going to take, but it sucks being without your Subaru for who knows how long. But I'll keep you guys updated as much as I can. We still have other cars we can make content with, and yeah, I don't know. I'm going to have some withdrawal symptoms. I'm not going to lie, but it's going to be for good reasons, guys. I promise you. Well, now we're here at the airport. Time to go home. Good thing it's only an hour flight, not too far away. All right, so here we are at the airport. Did I mention how much I hate flying? All right, time to hop on the plane. Got a little plane today. You're right there. All right, so here we are the next day, and I'll be perfectly honest with you, it does feel weird not having the Subaru either in my garage or my front driveway. Also, I did a poor job explaining what is going on with the Subaru and why it's in another place other than my garage. Well, for you longtime subscribers, you guys probably already know what's going down because you guys have seen past videos, but you guys will see updates on the Subaru later on as time goes on. I don't know how long this is going to take, but anyways, I really appreciate your guys' continued support. It really does mean a lot to me, and with that said, we'll see you on the next one. Peace out, guys.